Good morning, folks. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. It is the 2nd of January 2001, and we're going to check the bees with how much food they have right now. Show you something else first, though. These are some of my bees. Well, maybe you can see them. I don't know if y'all can see them on the ground or not, or flying around. But here they are, getting pollen. That's the pollen feeder we make for them. We've had a lot of rain here lately, and today the weather is about 54 degrees. It's cloudy, it's wet, it's a cold 54 degrees. But my bees are out, so there you are. These over here are still doing good. But they're all doing good. So we're just going to check the feed on this one right now. We checked the feed in the others. They needed some. We're going to try to do this with one-handed camera. I don't know if I can do it or not. I'm not like David, who can do all this. But anyway, y'all saw how much food we give them and how we feed them and everything else. And the feed, is sitting on wire here because it's easier to pick it up. We use paper towels. You watch the other videos, you can see how this is. But right there, where they've eaten it out, that's where they've had their cluster. And when it's real cold, we had 32 hours of straight freezing one few days back. But anyway, they get in their cluster and they can come up and they can rotate their cluster and eat, whereas if there's sugar, say sugar over here or honey over here and honey over here, and they're right here, they can't move to get groceries. So they come up and they rotate it. So what we do now is we take a paper towel. There we go. We take one of these small pieces of paper towel and we just put it over them like that, where their cluster is, where they like for their cluster to be. And if they've got any brood, that's where they're putting their brood. And then, maybe I should have brought a tripod. But anyway, this is the last minute thing here. Okay, but then here's where the cluster had been, and they ate it all out. So we just, put them some more sugar on top. And that way their cluster can stay where it's at, and they don't have to keep moving around. I hope y'all can see this. I hope y'all can understand it. If you can't, give me a comment. Thumbs up if you like it. If you're learning anything, give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment. Good, bad, don't matter. But anyway, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. January the 2nd, 2001. Bye.